Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday and we're here at CVS to go over the deals for the second week of the CVS sales ad. So all the ECB deals are going to be the same as last week, but they did reset. So if you did them last week, you can do them again. The deals are going to be pretty much completely different from last week, or mostly different, because a lot of the digital coupons we had last week expired and we got brand new digital coupons. So we kind of have like a brand new set of deals to work with this week. This week, I'm also going to be looking for a lot of clearance. I've heard of even lower markdowns on clearance in the oral care, the deodorant, laundry, and even like healthcare aisle. So I would go through everything. A lot of stores have tags for like 20 to 30% off, but really items are scanning 50 to 70% off. So I would definitely, if you're interested in an item, go and scan it at the Redbox machine. That's what I have been doing the past couple weeks. And that's how I've been able to find like unmarked laundry clearance for like 75% off that I've been showing you guys in the past couple videos. So we're going to be doing that again this week. Other than that, I think we just have a couple of new Ibotta deals that we have to work with, some matchups with clearance items as well. So I'm really going to be on the hunt today. I'm going to show you guys what I find. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. Valentine's Day was still at 50% when I went on Sunday, February 25th, but Wednesday will be 2 weeks from Valentine's Day this Wednesday. So I would wait until then to try to get your 75% off clearance items. Remember that Valentine's will not go 90%. CVS doesn't do 90% off clearance anymore, but scout out what you want so you can at least get it 75% off. I rescanned all of the laundry clearance. The smaller orange tied downy beads are ringing up 50% off for just $3.89. And then both of the regular green and the Island Fresh orange of the smaller gain are $3.91 on clearance, if you can find either one of those. The larger Downy Rinse and Refresh is 50% off, even though it's marked only 20% off for $8.99. That's a good deal. We don't have any coupons though. And then this Gain is ringing up 50% off for just $4 and I think 20 something cents. Again, no coupons on that. And then the best item I found was the Snuggle. This is just $1.35, so it's 75% off. I'm definitely going to be grabbing like as many of these as they have. I think they have like 4 of these. And I know we do have insert coupons. I don't get insert coupons anymore. There's no digitals, but I think $1.35 is a great price. Like I mentioned, these tied Downy Unstoppables are just $3.89. We do have a $1 digital coupon and $2 Ibotta rebates, so you could grab one of these for just 89 cents, and then you could grab as many of them as your store has and get $2 back on each one from Ibotta, up to a limit of 5. And of course, if you guys do not already have the Ibotta rebate, you definitely need that app for couponing, so you can get the Ibotta rebate app in the description box down below and get a $5 bonus when you sign up. Another clearance item that's a really great deal is the Garnier Olia Highlights, the specific shade, the HO2 for blondes. It's ringing up at $3.62 at my store, so what you'd want to do is grab 2 of these clearance items totaling $7.24, and you can use the 5 off 2 digital coupon on Garnier Olia hair color we have in the CVS app. You'd pay $2.24, and then you could submit to Ibotta for $2 back on the Garnier Olia hair color. It is a limit of 1, so that would make your final cost for 2 of these just 24 cents for both. I saw that we also have a $5 Shop Me rebate on 2 of these on the Shop Me rebate app, so you could actually grab 4 of these if you wanted and do a digital coupon for one set of 2 of them and Shop Me for the other set of 2. My store unfortunately only had 1 in stock, so I can't even do this deal unless I just wanted to grab one with the $2 Ibotta rebate. I find that hair color sells really well for me on eBay, so you can definitely pick these up to resell them. If you do want to watch my video on how to slay your stockpile on eBay, I'll link it at the end of this video, or you can find it on my channel. You guys, make sure that you are not leaving money on the table for getting cash back for gas. Just like we get cash back on Ibotta, you can get cash back on gas as well using the Upside app. I think it's the only gas cash back app that exists. It's like the one that's been around for a super long time now, but I feel like a lot of people still don't know about it and still are not using it. Upside allows you to look at all the gas stations near you and look and compare the different cents per gallon cash back that you can earn. And then once you go to that gas station, you can just click the claim button and it verifies your purchase, and then you get that cents per gallon cash back that you can deposit into your bank account or that you can redeem for gift cards. I think so far I've earned like over $300 on gas cash back, and that's pretty crazy because I don't even always remember to use it. I try to remember to use it as frequently as possible, but you should definitely make sure that you have it. I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comments. You guys can get that and get a little bonus on top of what you already normally get as a bonus when you sign up. On top of gas, they also offer percentage cashbacks on restaurants near you. So you can look at the little map feature and see all the restaurants near you that are offering percentage cash back. I know some of the ones around me offer like 10 to 20% cash back. So that is actually really significant savings depending on how much you're spending there. If you go out for a nice dinner with your family and it's 10 to 20% back, that is significant savings, probably better than any coupon that you could find. And they also offer percentage cash backs on grocery stores as well. Like I remember in Minnesota, the grocery store that I would always go to had 10% cash back on Upside. So if you're spending like $100 to $200 on groceries, that's like $10 to $20, which is a lot of money. So I'd really recommend having it. I feel like it's just a no-brainer app to have, like Ibotta and Fetch. For me, it's a necessity. So if you guys do want to download that, again, I'll have it in the description box and in the pinned comment. I found these Old Spice fresh deodorants on clearance for 50% off for $3.24 at my store. They did have 3 of these. So what you could do is grab 3 for $9.72 and use a 5 off 3 digital coupon that we have that's attaching, and you'd end up paying just $4.72 for all 3. My store was completely wiped out of the Axe body sprays, but there is a pretty good deal this week. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. So what you could do is grab 2 of them at $7.29, buy one, get one 50% off, totaling $10.93. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app, so you'd be left to pay $6.93. Earning back your $3 extra buck would make your final cost just $3.93 for 2 of them. You can also submit your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, where your receipts convert for points that you can redeem for gift cards. A lot of the times they do have Axe offers on there where you can get some bonus points. If you'd prefer to do the Degree Women's deal instead of the Axe body spray deal, you could choose to do that as well. It's also going to end up being a really good deal. These are $6.79. Again, buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. So 2 of these would total $10.18. You can use a $2 digital coupon for 1 of them. You'd pay $8.18, earn back your $3 extra buck on 2 of them, and then you can submit to the Shop Me and rebate app for $2 back as a manufacturer coupon rebate for the second one you did not use a digital coupon for. So that would make your final cost just $3.18 for both of them. Kind of a unique freebie deal on something that we don't get very often, the Dickinson's toner. These are $6.99 each. We're going to grab 2 of these. These are buy 1, get back a $3 extra buck up to a limit of 4. So for buying 2 of these, we're actually going to get back a $6 extra buck. 2 of these, again, total $13.98. I'm going to use a $3 acne CRT. I got that from my CVS email list. Make sure you're always checking your CVS emails because I'm always getting unique CVS store coupons on there that I can pair in with my deals. So with that $3 CVS store coupon, I should be left to pay $10.98, earning back my $6 extra buck. Plus I can submit to Ibotta for $4.94 back on the purchase of 2 of these. So that's going to make my final cost just 4 cents for 2 Dickinson's toners. Basically free. Again, if you guys don't already have the Ibotta rebate app, it's linked below. That is an amazing deal this week. I was so excited to do this deal, and then I reached in my coupon bag and realized I forgot my printable coupons on the printer, but I still wanted to let you guys know about this deal on the Aveeno facial cleansers. Aveeno and Neutrogena Facial Care are spend $25, get back a $10 extra buck this week. So what you could do is grab 3 of the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleansers. They're priced at $8.79. 3 of these will total $26.37, so we're above $25 to get back our $10 extra buck. We're going to use a 5 off 20 Neutrogena or Aveeno Facial Care CRT, and then you can use a $3 digital coupon for 1 of these that you're buying, and then use 2 $3 printable coupons for the other 2 that you don't have the digital for. So we should be left to pay $12.37. Earning back our $10 extra buck makes all 3 Aveeno cleansers just $2.37. Like I said, I forgot my printable coupons at home. I was so mad because I love getting Aveeno anytime that I can get it for super cheap like this. If you try out this deal, definitely let me know how it goes for you. And then in addition to it being a really good deal, we can also submit our receipts with Johnson & Johnson branded items on them, like Neutrogena and Aveeno, into the Care Club app. It works just like pngoodeveryday.com, where your receipts with Johnson & Johnson branded products on them convert for points that redeem for gift cards. But I honestly prefer Care Club because their gift cards are always in stock. So if you guys do want to join that so you can continue to earn even more gift cards for your receipts, I have the link in the description box down below for Care Club. Garnier Fructis are buy two, get back a $3 extra buck this week. At my store, they're priced at $4.79. So 2 of them will total $9.58. You can use a 3-off-2 digital coupon that we got for these this week. So you'd pay $6.58, earning back your $3 extra buck would make your final cost $3.58 for 2 of them. My store's priced kind of high, so your store may be priced lower and it may be an even better deal for you. L'Oreal Elvive are on sale for 2 for $9, and they're buy 2, get back a $2 extra buck this week. So grab 2 of them, totaling $9, and use the 4-off-2 digital coupon. You pay $5, earn back your $2 extra buck, making your final cost just $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. Last week, I received a $2 off L'Oreal Elvive CRT from my CVS email list. So that made it just $1 for 2. So definitely check your emails to see if you got that, because that would make it an awesome deal. Again, this week, the Yardley bar soap are buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. At my store, these are priced at $3.59, so you could grab 2 totaling $7.18. Get back your $4 extra buck, makes 2 of them $3.18. And we don't really get this brand for cheap very often, so I definitely think that's a great deal. We currently have a $4 manufacturer digital coupon for CoverGirl, as well as a $3 CoverGirl Instant CRT that everyone got. So I'm going to grab one of these eyeliners at $7.59. Use those total of $7 in savings that will stack, making this just 59 cents. You can grab any CoverGirl item that's attaching both coupons that's above $7, and that would be $7 off that price. So if you like CoverGirl eyeliners or face products, that is some really great savings. We have this 3-off-2 instant CRT that everyone got for Hershey's products. They're on sale for 2 for $9 and buy 2, get back a $2 extra buck. So with that 3-off-2 CVS store coupon, you'd pay just $6, getting back your $2 extra buck, making your final cost for 2 bags of chocolate just $4 or $2 each. All right, you guys, a little bit boring, but I only did one transaction since I did not have a 10 off 70, and there wasn't a lot of deals that I wanted to duplicate across multiple cards or anything like that. So I just decided to get those really cheap clearance snuggle beads that were $1.35 each, and then the Dickinson toner, and then the CoverGirl, just to make sure that that worked out as I expected it to. Also, for whatever reason, like CoverGirl and Revlon and L'Oreal eyeliners sell really well for me on eBay. So anytime that they're like under $1, around 50 cents or less, I'll always pick them up because I know that I'll make a huge profit on them. So for the coupons, my $4 digital for the CoverGirl came off, and then my $3 instant CRT for the CoverGirl came off, making that eyeliner just 59 cents. And then my $3 acne CRT for my CVS email list came off for the Dickinsons. And then I used a total of $16 in extra care bucks to pay, had like $1 subtotal out of pocket that I paid on my credit card. So around $17 out of pocket, got back a $6 extra buck for buying 2 of the Dickinsons. They're buy 1, get 3 up to a limit of 4. So I got back $6 for buying 2 of them. Plus I got back like $4.94 on 2 of the Dickinsons for my Ibotta. So around $5 for my Ibotta. So spent out 17, got back a total of 11 between extra bucks and Ibotta, making everything I got just $6. I think that's really, really good considering I'll be able to resell the CoverGirl. The Dickinsons was super, super cheap for what it is. I'll be able to resell those as well. And then I got 4 snuggle scent beads. So this transaction actually I'm really happy with this week. Let me know if you ended up picking up a lot more items this week or just some of the same items, or if you're passing this week on CVS. I would definitely understand that as well. I'm excited for next week. Make sure to sign up for the Upside Gas Cash Back app with the link in the description box down below and the pinned comment, so you can make sure that you're getting back all of the money that you can, saving as much as you can on everything. I know all of my followers are super frugal, and it's really nice to also be able to get some savings on gas. And I will catch you guys in the next one.